Hey guys, Digital David here. Today we're going to be talking all about Google Fi. I have used this phone plan for over a year now. I'm a big fan. My wife's a part of it. I just kind of want to walk you guys through what it's all about. And we'll go ahead and we'll just look on their website and talk and scroll together. So it's a really simple phone plan. You pay for what you use for, and it has phenomenal international travel plans as well that are just a part of your bill anyways. It works in over 170 countries, which is really cool. In a nutshell, it uses three major carrier networks. I believe it's T-Mobile, Sprint, and US Cellular. And it can work in over 170 countries without you having to do anything besides turn your phone off of airplane mode. They bundle great savings with you. If you order a Google phone from the store, you get a lot of plan credits and stuff too, you can see. And then they're billing it as a bill that's fair and flexible. So basically, in a nutshell, it's $20 for unlimited talk and text, and then each additional line or person is $15. So like for me, I'm $20 a month. I added my wife, she's $15 a month. So that's $35 a month for the both of us. And then you just pay $10 per gigabyte used. If you don't use it all, you get that money back or you don't pay it. So it rounds to the nearest zero point 0.01 gigabytes. If you use 0.5 gigabytes that month, that's only $5. Bill protection is after 6 gigabytes for one person. With multiple lines, it's after 10 gigabytes. So the most my wife and I would ever pay is $100 for unlimited data then at that point, plus the $20 for my line and the $15 for her line. So the most we would ever pay on our plan is $135. And if we reach that point or that plateau, we would get unlimited data, and we have unlimited talk and text as well. Then you'll have your taxes and fees, which are just a couple of bucks. So the most you'd ever pay is basically $135 for two people. And then it's way less if you don't even use that much data. If it's just one person by yourself, the most you'd pay is $60 for all your data, and then you'd have unlimited, plus your $20 plus your taxes and fees, so maybe 80 bucks at the most. So it's really cool, really easy. Again, you can do your pricing right here to estimate your bill depending on how many people you have. You can see too that data is slowed when individuals have used more than 15 gigs in a month. So you have unlimited after 6, and then they slow it down probably to 3G speeds after 15 gigabytes. So again, that's not bad. We are not data hungry people. If you're a data hungry person, this might not be the plan for you, but you might want to see, because it might still be, because you'll have, your 6 gigabytes or your 10 gigabytes up to 15, and then it'll start to slow down. So really cool. We're really happy with it. It used to be just compatible with Google phones. Now it's opened up to iPhones and basically any device, which is really nice. But to take full advantage of the network, I highly recommend a Pixel 2, Pixel 3. You want to stick with Google's phones. It's their plans and their devices, so of course it's going to work the best for them. They have technology where this phone can roam all those different networks and route you the best way possible. So it's really cool. We'll go ahead. We'll kind of just search back down here. Let's see what else we have. You can share with people. Again, you can share your bill, and they can do automatic bill pay. So really easy for families to use and share. Oh, here's the international coverage. We'll go ahead and talk about that now. Let me click on it. So you can roam the world without roaming fees. Google works in over 170 countries. I just recently took it to the Cayman Islands and was really impressed. So nothing changes. You still just pay $10 per gigabyte in all those 170 countries. Your texting is still free, and your calling is free to US numbers. It's just not free to other countries' numbers, but it's very affordable. I believe it's like 25 cents a minute. Let's see. Affordable voice calls. 20 cents per minute, see, $10 per gigabyte, and unlimited texting anywhere in the world. So as long as it's one of those countries covered. So the only thing that changes is if you go out of the country, you just have to pay 20 cents per minute for a voice call. So at that point, you can just use your $10 per gigabyte data and call people on, Facebook Messenger or that sort of thing. So guys, it's the simplest international phone plan you'd ever find. And what's so great is you don't have to do anything to change anything. So I want to show you, I took a screenshot when I went to the Cayman Islands. This is what you will see. So it says, I took my phone off airplane mode when we got into the airport. It said, welcome to the Cayman Islands. It might have took, 5 minutes or so maybe for it to kind of get back online and figure out where it was. But that's pretty good because I left, Detroit, Michigan, and then with my phone off, and then turned it on in the Cayman Islands, and it figured itself out. So it said, welcome to the Cayman Islands. We've got you covered. It may take a few minutes to connect. It's that simple. That's it. You're done. You're all good to go. It'll have data and everything else for you. So it's really cool. Imagine seeing that to like welcome to Jamaica or welcome to wherever country you're going to be in. So I can vouch for it. It worked really well. I did do a couple international calls, and it was that easy rate of 20 cents a minute. So let's go ahead. We can go back here. So that's the unlimited plan. It's phenomenal. There's all the countries in the network. I'll kind of just scroll through it. But again, it's 170. Chances are your country is in the network. You can estimate your bill. You can check coverage, see international coverage, shop phones. There's that bill estimator again, coverage spots. Let's see. Have a phone you love. Check compatibility. So here's all the manufacturers: Apple, Google, HTC, you name it. You know, it's probably on there. So here's Apple. It's showing you which ones: 5S, 6, SE or newer, 5C, 5 or older. So let's click the newer one. So you can go through there. I highly recommend that to figure out if your phone is compatible. And then let's look about their groups and families. So it's showing you an easy way to share with all your favorite people. Managing your plan has never been simpler. So you can control how much data each person uses and see, and set up notifications to help them pace their usage, and split the bill with your group plan members. Fit for families, adding a child to your plan. So it's just really cool. You can set, there's family links. You can set digital ground rules that work with your family for your children. I mean, you definitely want to spend a little more time researching all this, but it's really, really neat. All right, that reminded me on there when I saw that family tab. I don't really know why, but another benefit that's really nice about this, you can get a free SIM card from Google for tablets. So obviously at that point, you're not paying to add a line because it's a tablet, like if you have an iPad that has cellular data on it. So you can get a SIM card for your device. Make sure it is compatible with this plan in Google's network. But what's awesome is it doesn't cost you anything per month. You just still pay that same flat rate of $10 per gigabyte. So how awesome is that? You don't have to go to Verizon or AT&T and pay to add that line or add that extra monthly fee. It's just pay for the data you consume, which I think's super, super handy and awesome. So it's really a great plan. Feel free to ask me any questions or comments below. I'd love to interact with you all and tell you more about it. Don't forget about that promo code if you're going to sign up. It's in my link below. You're going to want to use that to save yourself a couple of bucks right there. And so it's really a great product, great plan. We're really happy with it. Visual voicemail, that just came to mind too, is really awesome and a great feature on these Pixel phones too, where you can just read your voicemail without having to listen to it. We really love that. It's just awesome. Obviously, if you have a Pixel phone, Google Photos is huge. It's amazing to be able to have that feature where it backs up everything. It can delete it for you to free up space on your phone. It's a never-ending cycle of all things Google, and we love it. So it's a great phone plan. Definitely check it out if you're in the market for it. Very affordable. You can go to their website too. Check out that link below as well and sign up today if you're in the market for a phone plan. Hit that like button, hit that sub button. All that really, really helps my channel. Does wonders for me on YouTube. Follow me on social media and check out my website as well, guys. Thank you so much for being here, and I will see you all in my next video. Thanks.